Welcome back to our AI News channel, where we bring you the latest updates on artificial intelligence. In today's video, we'll be discussing the latest news from Tesla, including Elon Musk's advancements in AI and robotics. So let's dive right in. Tesla's AI Day 2022 was mainly a recruiting event, according to CEO Elon Musk. The company showed early prototypes of a humanoid robot and a cyborg dubbed Optimus, which Musk claims will revolutionize physical work. The Tesla bot is part of the company's long-term effort to introduce a new era of automation, in which computer algorithms engage in human-like decision-making and advance their knowledge independent of human input. Investors and financial analysts have expressed skepticism that Tesla will ultimately be able to build the robot, advising instead to focus on projects closer to Tesla's core business of electric cars. However, Musk wants to solve one of the toughest problems in robotics and artificial intelligence: how to make a machine that can replace a human. During the event, Musk said, "I think there's some potential that what we're doing here at Tesla can make a meaningful contribution to AGI, or artificial general intelligence. This highlights the growing importance of AI and its potential to revolutionize various domains." Additionally, Elon Musk praised China's work on artificial intelligence during a conference in the country. He expressed his desire for a future powered by robotics and AI, showcasing the growing interest in AI and its potential to shape the future. As Tesla continues to become more focused on AI, Elon Musk left OpenAI's board due to a potential conflict with Tesla's own AI effort. Musk founded the organization with Sam Altman in 2015 with the goal to steer the AI community towards building artificial intelligence that benefits humanity. These advancements highlight the immense potential of AI and robotics to transform various industries, from transportation to manufacturing. However, there are also concerns about the ethical implications of AI and its impact on society. It's crucial to ensure that AI is developed responsibly and used for the benefit of humanity. And that concludes our overview of the latest news from Tesla, including Elon Musk's advancements in AI and robotics. Stay tuned to our channel for more exciting updates and insight into the world of artificial intelligence. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more AI news and discussions. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.